Hey everyone, this is Mr. Dunkel. Today I want to show you how you can download a file from Blackboard, put it in your personal directory on the school network, and then upload it to Office 365 into OneDrive so that you can access it wherever you have internet access. Now, I am in the folder Computer App Standards, and you'll notice that there's an attached file right here called I can statements, and XLSX is an Excel file. Now, I want to show you a trick that I think will help you, because one of the things with attached files is it is dependent on how you have your browser set up and the type of file it is as to what happens when you click on it. So if I were to left click on this file, Google Chrome is going to automatically download it for me and likely put it in my downloads folder. Now, I don't want it in my downloads folder, so I would then have to go to my downloads folder, find it, copy it, go to the folder I want it in, and paste it. If it were a different type of file, say a PDF file like the RUP, it would likely just open the file. So what I'm going to show you is a trick you can use anytime you have these attachments that you can always download the file and go ahead and tell it exactly where you want to put it. So in order to do this, what you want to do is put your cursor over the file, and you notice I have the little hand. But rather than left click, I'm going to right click on my mouse. So I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to choose the option Save Link As. Now, when I choose Save Link As, it's now giving me the option to tell Google Chrome where I want to put it. And again, this works with other browsers as well. So what you want to do when you're at school is you want to look for your home directory, and it's going to be your H drive. And followed by the H, you should also have your username. So the username used to log in. So you want to go inside of that drive and save your file. And hopefully you have folders created in there and you can save it in subfolders like English class or math. But in my case, I'm not at home. So I'm going to save this file to the network, or excuse me, to the desktop. And so I've clicked on desktop, and let's just call it, I've done this a couple of times. So I want to take this out here, and I'm just going to say Computer Apps I Can statement. And I'm going to click Save, and it has now saved that to my desktop. Again, yours should be saved to your home directory. Now, in order to get it to Office 365, I'm going to log into Office 365, and typically that'll put you in your mail account. So in order to get it into OneDrive, I need to click on the Apps Manager, go to OneDrive. And once OneDrive loads, hopefully you have folders created for your different classes. And I recommend go ahead and go to that folder, go inside of it, wherever you want the file. It'll just save you a step. I could go ahead and upload it here, but then I'm going to have an unorganized mess of files, and I will need to, organize them later. So if I just go ahead and go in the folder where I want it, it'll put it exactly where I need it. So in this case, I'm going to go into the Computer Applications folder. Now, inside the Computer Applications folder, I have a button here that says Upload, and I'm just going to click on Upload. And then all I have to do is, under my desktop, is I just need to find the file. And here we see it, Computer Apps I Can statements right there. Now, you'll notice your view may look different than this. Mine is what's called Details View, and it shows the name, the size, the type of file, and the date modified. These are all very, very helpful categories that you can sort by. So, for instance, I could sort alphabetically. So if I know the file name, I'm having trouble finding it, I can just click on name, and it puts it in alphabetical order, and I can go find it. I can sort by size. So if I had a file that was really, really large, I can sort by type. Like if I knew that I was looking for a JPEG image, or I knew I was looking for an Acrobat file. And the one I probably use more than any is date modified, because date modified will sort it from the newest file to the oldest file. So if it's something I just recently did, I can click on date modified. So if you're not seeing it looking like this, there is a pull down menu up here. And if you pull this down, you can change it to what view you'd like. Now, more than likely, you may be in large icon view, where you're seeing pictures or icons of everything. So just simply pull that down and choose Details, and then you can sort it the way you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and find my file, click Open. And in this case, I already had that file loaded, so I'm going to say Replace it. And I want to replace that file. And now it is uploaded. You can see it was uploaded just a few seconds ago, and now I have it available to me anywhere that I have internet access. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. If it's after hours and you have questions, remember that we have a tutorials page where we'll have these type of videos as well, so you can refer back to that. So hopefully that helps. Have a great day, and thank you.